guys, we are entering into the caves. This is one of the oldest caves in South Africa.
I will lie.
That's one, Papa. I like that.
Here's your order.
Like that one.
So,
Yeah, just take.
what picture?
Yeah, nice. Carefully.
1921, we started off electrification, basically before the first two chambers. That realized that the chamber is roughly about 94, 95 meters long. So, now the lights will be on, we change a lot of stuff. This is what we can look at. So everyone can walk around for a few minutes, you can make use of the floor, last about 6.5.
This is really a spectacular one. It's beautiful.
The pathway.
Gentlemen, everyone's attention, please. Did anybody lose like a... Laat me drie goed noemen, want ik heb mijn in het section there. That's the joining point. Once those formations next to each other, they grew in width and then it became one. So that's a single column, a double column, but they were both called the oldest dated formation inside the cave that we are aware of. Scientists believe this one is about 1.5 million years old, and we call it with imagination. You know, ladies and gentlemen, but then later they complained and said it looked too artificial. They wanted to see everything in its natural color. But the colorful light in this room is there for two reasons. Or the room of good, it's very poor, but let's try. I'm sure the good side will be much easier to see. Next to your left, please. Bookmark in the shape of a cross. That's the cross. And then on the right, everyone, an angel's wing. So it's the wing of an angel.
I would agree.
She's quite right, too. That's